Okay, fine. Now all of you listen here. Okay, we transferred 60,000 to share capital. Now we are going to calculate to bank and to share allotment. Now to share allotment, we made, why we are creditor share allotment account here? Why we are creditor share allotment account here? Because we are doing pro rata allotment. Okay, pro rata allotment. Now let us calculate how much will be how much amount will be come as excess money due to the pro rata allotment. Finally, we found there is 5,000 application and a balance of 2,000 shares. Okay, this is here we are going to make pro rata allotment. That means we are providing 2,000 shares to the all applications. Okay, all the remaining applications, that is 5,000. Now we know we can calculate separately how much application money will we will receive. Application money on 5,000 shares. How much it will be? Can you say? What will be application money on 5,000 shares?
15,000.
10,000?
15,000.
Yeah.
15,000.
Yes. Very good. So it will be 15,000. Okay. Out of 50,000, transfer to share capital. Transfer to share capital. Transfer to share capital. How much? We are receiving application for 5,000. But how many is the remaining balance to issue?
6,000.
Yeah, we have only 2,000 shares to issue, no? Because out of 20,000, we already issued 18,000. Okay, we have only 20,000 shares to issue. Out of 20,000, we already provided 18,000 shares in full. Okay, now we have 2,000 only. Okay, for 2,000 shares, we are receiving application money like this for 5,000 shares. Now here we are going to make pro rata allotment. That means to share capital, we can transfer only application money on 2,000 shares. Are you able to follow me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now how much it will be?
6,000.
6,000.
Yeah, it will be 6,000. It will be 6,000. Okay. Now listen. What is excess?
9,000.
Is what is excess? 9,000, right?
Yeah.
9,000 is excess. Okay, very good. You're right. So we have excess application money of 9,000. Okay, excess application money of 9,000. Actually, we know when company following this method, that means this pro rata allotment method. When company following this pro rata allotment method, company should adjust excess application money with allotment account, isn't it? Okay, company can adjust excess
We are
application.
rejecting some, right?
Sorry.
We are rejecting 2,000, right? So we'll refund some of it.
Yeah, that one we are going to do. Okay, that we already calculated here. 2,000 rejection. Okay, we will enter the amount here. Before that,
So
we have to
3,000 will be.
sorry.
The 3,000 still there will be excess, right?
Yeah, that is what I am going to calculate. Okay, so you know, up to this you understood, right? How get 9,000? Okay. Now we know as per pro rata allotment, we can adjust excess application money to the allotment. Now let us check what is the allotment money. Okay. Maximum amount how much we can adjust. For that we know allotment money is rupees 3, isn't it? Allotment money is rupees 3. What is the number of shares? Number of shares. Sorry, we can write like this. Allotment money, no? Allotment money for 2000 shares. How much it will be? Can you calculate? We know the allotment money is rupees 3. And what will be the allotment money for 2000 shares?
6,000.
Yeah, 6,000. This is very, very important. That means we can adjust maximum up to 6,000. Okay, actually we have excess application money 9,000. Okay, actually we have excess application money 9,000. So we cannot adjust all this 9,000 to the allotment money. Okay, we are not able to adjust all this allotment money, this excess money to the allotment. So how much we can adjust maximum? We can adjust maximum up to 6,000 because only 3 rupees per share. Okay, and we having 2000 shares. For 2000 shares per rupees 3, that means maximum amount will be received at the time of allotment is rupees 6,000. Is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, please respond. It's very
So
important question.
last varnam kudu.
Yeah, up to this, you know, right? Up to this 9,000. Okay. As per the rule of pro rata allotment, we have to adjust excess application money to the allotment. Okay, allotment account. So here we are going to check how much amount can transfer to the allotment account. Okay, here we are going to make pro rata allotment for 2000 shares. Okay, that's why we taken 2000 shares here. Now we know allotment money per share is rupees 3. Okay, allotment money per share is rupees 3. Okay, now we can calculate what will be the allotment money for 2000 shares. It is 6,000. Okay, that means allotment money will be received on 2000 shares is rupees 6,000. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now maximum we can adjust this excess application money is only 6,000, and you know there will be a rejection. Okay, sorry, there will be a balance. Okay, that balance will be rejected or refunded. See the last sentence of the question. Please read that one. The last sentence. Nihala, can you please read that one?
Excess application money adjusted with allotment and balance will be refunded.
Yeah, that is the point. Excess application money adjusted. What that is the rule in the pro rata allotment. Okay, excess application money adjusted with the allotment, and balance will be refunded. Okay, that means if there is any excess application money after adjusting allotment, that balance will be refunded. Is it clear now?
So 3,000 will be rejected.
Yes, that 3,000 will be rejected. Okay, now we can write like this. Maximum amount. Okay, before that we write excess is 6,000. Okay, maximum we can adjust, or we can write adjustable amount. Adjustable amount with allotment is equal to 600. Oh, sorry, excess is not 6000, it's 9000. So maximum adjustable amount with allotment is 6000, and there will be balance, that means 9000 minus 6000 is equal to 3000. That will be refunded. Okay, that will be refunded as per the question. Okay, now we found out what is the amount that can transfer to the allotment account, that is 6000. Okay, is it clear? After the 6000 there is a balance of 3000 that we are going to reject. Now come back to the journal entry. Okay, now we calculated to the share allotment we can transfer only 6000. Okay, we can transfer only 6000 because we have only 2000 shares. Okay, we are making pro rata allotment on only 2000 shares. Okay, so for application allotment money on that 2000 shares only we can adjust. Maximum it will be 6000 because 2000 into allotment money is rupees 3, then it will be 6000. So there will be a remaining balance that will be refunded. Okay, 3000 that will be refunded. So actually as per the question there is a rejection of 2000 shares. Okay, 2000 into 3 that is equal to 6000 plus the amount refunded after adjusting to the share allotment, that 3000 also will be rejected. So what will be the amount transferred to the bank account? It will be
9,000.
9000. Okay, it is 9000. Now this is how we can adjust the excess application money. Okay, we are not able to adjust all the application money to the share allotment. We can adjust up to the amount due or amount will be received on allotment account. We have to consider the allotment money per share. Okay, if there any excess application money after adjusting to the allotment account, that will be refunded. Okay, that will be refunded. That is this 3000. Are you able to understand what happened? Afseen, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And Hafiz Anwar,
Yes.
Fadil,
Yes, sir.
and Nizam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nihal, Nihal, are you there?
Hello.
Sir, when
Yes, Afseen parayum. Tell me, Afseen.
when receiving the allotment, we'll reduce this 6000, right?
Ah, yes,
When
yes, yes,
receiving-
yes, yes, very good. Okay, actually we have already 6000 in allotment account. Okay, so when allotment money due on 20,000 shares, we will uh, deduct this 6000 because we have already 6000 in allotment account. Shall we continue?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you feel any difficulty, you can tell me. Okay, with these entries. So most confusing part we completed. So that is adjustment is there, refund is there. Okay, this is the third case. Now we followed only the first two journal entry, that is receipt of application money and transfer of application money. What will be the next one? What will be next journal entry? After transferring application money, what will be next journal entry? Yeah, allotment, isn't it? So firstly we have to make journal entry for allotment money due. Okay, what is the journal entry for that one? Fadil, can you say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you say that one?
Allotment received or no?
No, for making allotment money due.
That is allotment account debtor to share capital.
Share allotment account debtor to share capital, right? Okay, how much amount? How much amount? Fadil. Fadil, are you there?
Yes, yes. Hello.
Yes. How much amount?
Uh,
What is the allotment money per share?
3.
Okay. So for how
Yes.
many shares? Rupees 3 will due.
20,000.
Yeah. 20,000 into
60,000.
3.
3.
It will be 60,000. Here also it will be.
The voice lag and sir. Hello.
Am I audible? Fadil, any
Hello.
problem with my voice?
Sir, your voice is laggy for me.
Okay, what about others? Is it my connection problem?
No, it's fine.
Okay,
Mine one probably.
okay, fine. Okay, what will be the narration here? Fadil?
Share allotment account due.
Share, allotment, not account, allotment money.
Allotment money
Okay,
due.
allotment money due. Very good, Fadil. Arif,
Yes.
are you there? What happened? Any connection problem? Okay, can you see a next journal entry?
Bank account debtor to share allotment account.
Very good. Bank account, debtor to share allotment. Okay, bank account debtor to share allotment. Okay, what is the narration?
Allotment money received.
Okay, allotment money received.
Sir, മറ്റേ journal entry-ക്ക് എന്താ narration?
Yeah.
Second one.
Yes, I forgot that one. Sorry. So, what is the journal entry? For what is the narration? We are transferring application money now. So we can write application money transferred to share capital, comma, adjusted excess application money okay to allotment and refund on rejection. Okay, this will be narration. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, application money transfer to the share capital, comma, adjusted excess application money to the allotment and refund on rejection. Okay, this will be narration here. Okay, you can also add the figures also if you want, like this. For example, application money on 20,000 shares transferred to share capital. Okay, adjusted excess application money on 2000 2,000 shares, okay, adjusted to the allotment and refund on rejection of 2,000 shares, okay, 2,000 applications. Like that you can also add figures. Okay, so can I continue?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now after this one, allotment money due, after that journal entry for allotment money received. Okay, so how much amount we will receive here?
60,000 minus
Very good.
6,000.
Yeah, 60,000 minus 6,000. 60,000 minus 6,000. Why we are doing so? Because we already transferred to the share allotment account. Okay, there was an excess application money of 2,000 applications. Okay, for 2,000 shares. That one we adjusted to the allotment account. So there is already 6,000 credited to the share allotment account. So when we are receiving share allotment account, we are not going to receive application money on that 2,000. Sorry, allotment money on that 2,000 because it is already received. That means already adjusted from the share application account. So here we will receive only after that 6,000 amount. Okay, after adjusting that 6,000 amount only we will receive. That means to the bank account we will receive 54,000. Okay, we will receive only 54,000. Okay, 54,000. So narration we can provide allotment money received after adjustment. Okay, allotment money received after adjustment. Is it clear? Are you able to follow me, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
ഫാദിൽ എവിടെ പോയി? Okay, next one. Hafiz, are you there? Can you hear me? Hafiz?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So what will be next journal entry? So we made 4 entries for application money received and application money transferred and allotment money due and allotment money received. Now we have to make some more entries, no? What will be next one? Hafiz, are you there?
Allotment money transfer ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്.
എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഹാഫിസ പറയുന്നത്? എവിടെയാ നമ്മൾ അലോട്ട്മെന്റ് മണി ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ആക്കുന്നത് പഠിച്ചത്?
നീ അലോട്ട്മെന്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? അപ്പൊ ഷെയർ ഫസ്റ്റ് കോൾ.
Yes, tell me. Journal entry.
Share first call account debtor to bank account.
Okay.
To share capital account.
ആകെ തല തിരിയുണ്ടല്ലോ ഓഫീസ്, എന്ത് പറ്റി? ആകെ തല തിരിഞ്ഞു പോകുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ.
ആ ആദ്യം കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, നോക്കിണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അങ്ങനെ ഫുള്ള് കണ്ടില്ല.
ഓക്കെ,
നടുവൊന്നും
മുടി മാത്രല്ലേ വെട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളൂ?
ആ അങ്ങനെയും പറയാൻ വേണമെങ്കിൽ.
Okay, how much amount? Take your notebook and tell me the allowed first call money.
40,000.
How?
അത് തന്നിക്കില്ല.
How it should be 40,000?
അത് 2 ഷെയറില്ലേ? ഹലോ,
Yes, yes.
2 ഷെയറില്ലേ?
Fees.
ഒരു ഷെയറിന് 2 രൂപ അങ്ങനെ.
Yeah, 2 rupee for 1 share. How many shares are there? How many shares are there?
20,000.
So 20,000 into 2, right?
Yes.
It will be 40,000. Here also it will be 40,000. What is the narration you can provide here?
Share first call amount due.
Share first call money, right? Okay, due on 20,000 shares. Okay, fine. So what would be next journal entry? Zaina, can you hear me? Zaina Sajid, are you there? Hello Zaina. Zaina ക്ലാസ് വെച്ച് ഉറങ്ങാൻ പോയോ?
ഇല്ല, അവൾക്ക് കേൾക്കണില്ല പറഞ്ഞത്.
എന്നിട്ട് ഇതുവരെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ.
ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ. അങ്ങനെയാണ്.
ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സിലോ? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. Okay, what about the screen visibility?
Yes, you can see. Not in HD though.
Okay, okay. Is it visible the figures and all?
Yes.
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 Principal sir was there, no?
Yes.
He's saying screen is not clear in my viewing. That's why I'm asking to you.
But we can see.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but we can understand it.
Fine, fine. And Zaina, ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല, not audible. Okay. Nawaf?
Sir, hello?
Yes, yes.
Still I can't see screen sharing.
Oh,
From starting.
okay. I think you have connection problem, right? Don't worry. I'm
Yeah.
recording this one still now. Still I'm recording. Okay, I will send you the video. Okay, don't worry. And okay, Nihal, I think you're also having some connection problem, right? Okay, fine. So we completed this journal entry for allotment, sorry, first call money due. So what will be next journal entry? Very simple. After,
Second call. First call.
no, we have to receive first call, no?
Bank account up to
Bank
share
account
first call.
up to first
Yeah,
call.
bank account up to share first call. We will receive the entire amount. It is 40,000. Here also it will be 40,000. Okay. In narration, okay. In narration, you can provide first call money received. First call money received. Okay, fine. Now, next journal entry. What will be next journal entry?
Second call.
Yeah. Share
Second call.
second and final call. Okay.
File.
Account up to where? To share capital account. Same amount, right? Is it right? 40,000?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So in narration, we can provide second and final call money due. Okay. So when it is due, they will be received on next journal entry. Fine. So bank account debtor to share second and final call. We will receive the same amount. There is no adjustment with call money and all. So it is 40,000. In narration, we can provide what? Second and final call money received. Okay. This is the problem. Okay, this is the answer for the third case. Okay, the main part is here only. Adjustment. Here we have done the combined journal entry. Okay, it will be better understanding than separate journal entry, right? I think so. This will be a good one. So is it okay for you?